Hi, this is Masayo. I'm around 70 years old, but as I get older, I get healthier and younger and feeling the best in my life. So today, I'll share with you how to keep yourself healthy easily. That is to understand the importance of pH. Body has fluid, and so it has pH. And if body is too acid, it becomes a cause of so many health problems, so many. And also, it causes so-called, I'm sure you have heard of the free radicals, okay? That's the oxidation. And so it's very important to keep the body with a good alkalization. And in order to do that, some people notice that the problem, if body is too acid, then they cause health challenges. So like a Costco is selling alkaline water, okay? But people don't know it's so easy to make alkaline water and drink it, every day, easily. That is, first of all, like this is 2-liter water. First one is a lemon. Squeeze half of the lemon to this and keep drinking when you drink water, just as a water. Or this is apple cider vinegar. Okay, then for this 2-liter, about 1 tablespoon of this, put it, and I keep drinking that water. Or in my case, I put both, and keep drinking that water. Or you can use a baking soda, okay, and then tiny little bit, about a quarter of a pea to this kind of bottle, 2-liter. Or another way is use chamomile tea. Chamomile is really good for mind relaxation and the digestion and everything. It's really, chamomile tea is good. I drink maybe 2 or 3 cups of chamomile a day. Good for not only keeping the good alkalinity, but also good for bloating and heartburn. The cause for that is lack of water, liquid, and also, but it's too acid. That's why it causes. So then, what you do is put about about this much of the teaspoon of baking soda here in the hot water, and then put this, and it becomes very strong. Okay. Whenever you put the baking soda, like me, in my case, now I have this kind of container in like a shake like this one. Then I put tea. Then any tea, everything becomes so strong. Okay. And anyway, so this, and you put the baking soda, enough baking soda in this, and it's too hot. So then add a little water and drink, quickly. Then your heartburn, bloating, gas really disappears like a magic right away. Also, you can do it, in a, when, like also again have this, this kind of baking soda to the water and mix up if you don't have a tea, and drink it. Then the heartburn will disappear right away. So by alkalizing, your body, it's really, you can keep a good body physical condition, and mind too. Mind becomes clear, and lots of health challenges disappear. I've been teaching this to Japanese people for the last 25 years, and it's really works like a magic. So keep, just drink very good alkalized water, daily, and then just keep a good health and mind condition. Try it, and you really feel a big difference. You feel much, much better. So please subscribe for this kind of wisdom.